Good day peeps! Today we want to talk about what GPX files are and how they are created. This will be a short one, so let's strap up and let's go. Imagine you're going on a hike. You pass some nice woods and a lake and arrive at your destination. Of course, as the geek you are, you want to hold onto this hike and save it in a way you can revisit it later or even share it with your mates. So naturally, you're thinking about plotting your trek like so. To create such a trek, you could use a GPS tracker, or any hiking app, to be honest, but that's not what we're here for today. Anyways, the GPS tracker will plot your trek by creating timestamps with your current position, altitude, and potentially some other information like heart rate and stuff. As you can see, the time information is also relevant. And as you also can see, the waypoints are neatly organized in a way so we can use it in an XML file later on. And the XML file, you get it, looks like this. And what we're seeing here is already the base form of a GPX file. And by the way, GPX stands for GPS Exchange Format, which is a pretty forward straight name if you ask me. So the root of every GPX file is tagged by GPX. This holds normally informations like the version, the producer, and so on and so on. This depends, like much more to come, on the device you're using. Inside the root GPX tag are one or even more so-called track segments. They are marked by the track tag. A track can be composed of multiple segments. A segment is marked by the track seg tag, and also you can see right above the first segment is the name of the track. This name is created, in this case, by my tracker device, so this can vary depending on your device you're using. And finally, every segment holds multiple track points, or sometimes also called waypoints. As I said earlier, a track point can hold different information based on your tracking device. So in my case, it's the bare minimum, which are the actual coordinates, so latitude and longitude, the elevation, and the timestamp the track point was recorded. So as you can imagine, the recorded track will have different accuracy depending on the frequency your device is recording such waypoints. To get a well-shaped track, like we see here, you would need a lot more waypoints, of course. My device is tracking waypoints every second, so it uses a frequency of 1 Hz. But it really depends on the configuration of the device and the device in general you're using. So when you lower the frequency, the track accuracy will go down as well. I tried to visualize it here with way less waypoints, so you lose details on the track you went. And to be honest, that's already it. From here, you have an understanding on how a GPX file is built up, and you can start building stuff with it, like visualization or analytics of recorded tracks. I planned another video where I want to showcase how these GPX files can be integrated into a Leaflet map in React Web application. So if you're interested in seeing this, be sure to subscribe and follow along. See you guys there. Cheers!